Welcome to my living room, dear wonderful students. Today in English, we are going to talk about a literary device that authors use called Motif. Okay, so Motif is just a recurring object that says recurring. Okay, so a motif is a recurring object. Okay, this recurring object will often point towards a theme. Okay, the theme is the overall message or the big idea. Okay, so let's take the Westing game because we all read this. So the Westing game, there were several themes that we saw. Okay, one theme might have been like patriotism or the American dream. If I was looking at the theme of patriotism or the American dream, some motifs that we saw might have been like, where is it? Uncle Sam. He represents the American dream. In Sam Westing's will, it was a reoccurring object. The will, or Uncle Sam, where is he? There he is, were reoccurring objects that we saw that pointed us to the overall message of the American dream. Okay? If I look for the theme or the big idea in the Westing game of, here's another one, games or lying, trickery. Okay, there was that kind of overall game idea in the Westing game. Okay, the motif, the reoccurring object that we saw might have been like Siddell's crutches, or a game of chess. Things that kind of showed a game that was being played. They're objects that reoccur, they happen again and again, to help point us towards an overall theme. Okay, so now taking our Esperanza Rising book, we have the theme of starting again. So today as you are reading, I want you to be looking for a motif, an object that we have seen previously that's coming back that kind of brings us to this idea of starting again, or other themes you might see in Esperanza Rising. Okay? If you have any questions, let us know. Now I have to stop it. How do we stop it?